Pilots fighting brutal winds, slippery runways, and sheer terror. Welcome to the most dramatic Airbus Crosswind landings ever recorded. Buckle up, hit like, and subscribe, because this is aviation at its most extreme. Which landing had you clenching your seat? Let me know in the comments. If you love this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more high-flying action, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy landings, and remember, the sky is never the limit.